Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. Epson has just launched the most reliable DTF printer on the market, the SureColor G6070. It offers Epson's renowned image quality with hassle-free automated maintenance that has been perfected over 12 years of DTG printing. If something does go wrong, Epson has a nationwide network of technicians to service your G6070 within 24 to 48 hours. No other DTF printer can make these claims. But what if I told you that none of that matters? Well, none of that matters if you pair your new G6070 with the wrong shaker dryer system. Your amazing new SureColor G6070 is only as good as the finishing solution that it feeds. Today, I'm going to tell you which shaker dryer system you need to pair with the Epson G6070. The Miro 36 is a 36-inch shaker dryer system that was conceived and developed to be paired with the 36-inch Epson G6070. While Epson's engineers were focused on creating the world's most reliable DTF printer, another team of engineers was working with Epson's specs to build a compact shaker dryer system to perfectly complement the printer. Just look at this input tray that is designed at just the right height to precisely feed into the Miro 36 system. And this isn't just an input tray, it's a heated plate that can be dialed to your exact temperature. Why would you want that? Well, this allows the ink to set in place before it gets powdered, allowing for sharper fixed dots on the film and the ability to load more CMYK and white ink for more vibrant prints. Without a preheat plate like this one on the Miro 36, you will be limited in the amount of ink that you could put on the film, and that will compromise the peak image quality and color gamut that Epson can achieve with the G6070. Let's keep following the printed film through the Miro 36 shaker system. Next, we're going to feed into the powder chamber, where our DTF adhesive powder will be automatically applied by the Miro 36. The film passes through the powder pile before advancing back up and across the paddle that knocks the excess powder back into the powder pile. This is all pretty typical for a shaker dryer unit, but the Miro 36 does one thing differently. Epson is totally focused on health and safety. You can see this from their ink certification, like Okie-Tex, that verifies their components are safe even for infant apparel. When fresh powder needs to be added to the Miro 36, it pauses both the heat and the paddle in the powder chamber to make sure that no excess adhesive powder is pushed up into the air where operators could breathe it in. This is a great safety feature found on the Miro 36. From there, we get to the curing unit, which is the heart of the Miro 36 and the patented differentiator that makes it the best DTF shaker dryer that we've ever tested. Where most shaker dryers use a conveyor belt system and heated bulbs to cure the film from the top, the Miro 36 uses a curved heat platen that the film passes over to heat from the bottom. This heat platen is like those found on premium heat presses with a consistent heating element that underpins the entire platen. This means that you are able to precisely dial your heat and know that it will be the same everywhere across the 36-inch bed. It's also much safer than a heated bulb system, as it doesn't have the same top heat hazard potential of catching the film on fire if it buckles or gets too close to the bulbs. The gentle bottom heat platen system is super simple with fewer moving parts than a conveyor belt system that introduces many points of failure and many potential repair parts. The Miro 36 is the only shaker dryer to offer the patented solution for safer and more reliable powder curing. This bottom heated platen allows for the next patented innovation on the Miro 36, and that is the built-in air purification and internal smoke circulation system. With the heating element below the film, the Miro 36 uses internal fans to evacuate the heat up through its top purification chamber, passing it through HEPA and charcoal filters to ensure that no unsafe vapors make their way out into your print shop. This makes the Miro 36 perfect for in-home use where other DTF shaker dryers cannot safely operate. And on that topic, the Miro 36 is one of the only 36-inch shaker dryers on the market that can fit into a home or office. The Miro 36 ships in two pieces that can both easily pass through a standard doorway. It then assembles in less than 10 minutes with 4 thumb screws and 0 tools. Best of all, it uses 2 standard 110-volt plugs, allowing you to put this Miro 36 in any environment without needing an electrician to bring special power. This makes the Miro 36 totally unique and is another amazing benefit of their efficient lower heat platen. After we pass through the curing unit, We make our way to the take-up reel. This is really the only moving part on the Miro 36 besides the powder paddle. Yet another way that the whole unit is so simple and so efficient. The take-up reel motor, along with gravity, is what is gently pulling the film through the system. This makes the Miro 36 extremely quiet compared to a conveyor system, which is again ideal for home and office environments. The Miro 36 has magnetic clips that let you easily feed the beginning of your film through the curing unit to reduce waste as you're preparing to tape the leading edge to the take-up reel. Because the Miro 36 doesn't use a conveyor system, you're able to use the curing platen as a one-off curing oven when you just need one quick sheet printed. To do this, you'd powder your sheet by hand and set it on the platen for a few moments, and then you're ready to press to your garment. We use the Miro 36 this way all the time when doing quick samples for customers. If you want to see a sample of the G6070 with the Miro 36, take 30 seconds and upload your file to itsupplies.com/print samples, and we'll mail you a transfer that you can test on your own garment. There are two more things that I want to highlight that make the Miro 36 the most efficient and simple shaker to pair with your Epson G6070. First are the alignment marks on the heated input tray and the matching alignment marks on the take-up reel. This lets users easily line up both the input and output ends of the Miro 36 for a clean, consistent feed through the shaker dryer system. This isn't revolutionary, but it's very thoughtful and it really helps. And finally, I want to note how easy and simple the touchscreen operation is. There are very few settings because the Miro 36 is really just so simple. I thought that was it, but I do want to say one more thing. The team behind the Miro 36 has great technical support and amazing customer service. It starts with the vast video library that they include with each Miro 36 that shows you exactly how to install, maintain, and operate the system. There are dozens of videos to guide you through any questions that you would have. If you need live help, their customer service team delivers technical support and troubleshooting in minutes. They take pride in getting you answers quickly, night or day. Don't pair your Epson G6070 printer with a shaker that doesn't have adequate technical resources to help you when you need it most. So that does it for this video. If you want a 36-inch shaker to pair with your Epson G6070, this is the one. It's compact, efficient, runs on 110-volt power, it fits through a standard doorway, and offers reliable customer service. If you want to come see the Epson G6070 and the Miro 36 in person, please reach out at itsupplies.com to set up a demo at our Chicagoland office. We'd love to show you how simple and well-built the Miro 36 is. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.